the consensus that we came to is that it is precisely now that we must coordinate our efforts. So that is what we are going to do. Ipapatuloy natin yung ASEAN Summit. Ngunit, the way that we describe it is that we have, it is a bare bones ASEAN Summit. It's just, we will not talk about, we will be talking about three main subjects. About the supply of petroleum and petroleum products, about the supply of food and the price of food, and migrant workers. Those will be the three subject matters that we will be taking up in the ASEAN Summit. It will be over a period of maybe a day and a half. Imbes na yung mahaba, all day that what we had planned. Lahat ng plinano natin, sabi ko, baka hindi naman ngayon ang panahon na masyadong elaborate ang ating preparasyon. Ang kailangan talaga sa panahon na ito ay makapag-usap kami mga leader upang malaman natin kung ano, what do we do in the future, what do we do for the rest of the year, what do we do, how can we help each other, and what is the ASEAN position regarding all of these shocks that are coming our way. So that is yun ang nagiging usapan sa ASEAN. Tuloy tayo sa May 7, May 8, and but as I said, it will be a very bare-bones summit which will focus very closely on those three subject matters: oil, food, and migrant workers. So sa ngayon, tentatively, tuloy pa yung sa November dahil importante din yun because the other world leaders will be coming here. Galing sa Europe, yung ating sa China, yung ating sa Korea, sa Japan, kailangan talagang pag-usapan lahat ng mga pangyayari nito. So it's going to be very important also. But before we do that, siguro by September, October, magtatanong na tayo kung ano yung gustong gagawin ng yung mga ibang leader. Kung makarating man sila, etc. So, pero right now, we're focused on the summit in May.